Hey there, cat lovers! Welcome to another video for all of you who adore the feline world. Today, we have a special challenge, a quiz to test your knowledge of cat breeds. Let's see how many you can get right. You'll have 5 seconds to guess the breed of each cat just by looking at the photo. Sounds easy? We'll see. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any feline content, and at the end, let us know in the comments how many you got right. Ready? Let's get started. Persian. Sphynx. Manx. Siamese. Russian blue. Bengal. Oriental Shorthair. Scottish Fold. Abyssinian. Chartreuse. Ragdoll. Norwegian Forest. American Shorthair. Birman. Himalayan. Munchkin. Burmese. Manx. So, cat lovers, how many breeds did you get right? Share your score with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, leave a like to support the channel and subscribe for more amazing cat content. Thanks for playing, and see you next time.